Hello, hello, hello. Wow, it's 4:45 a.m. here. The life of a graphic designer. We are always up and doing. We are always up and learning. Well, we'll come back to this. Let's move over to Corel Draw. I have to show you some things. In Corel Draw, I have the place I design my YouTube thumbnails. Okay, this is just some of them. Okay, so the last one I did, that's it here. So this, I use this to post the tutorial on my YouTube channel about how to split circles in Photoshop. So this is the thumbnail. Okay, so this is another one. This is finally the one I use. If you go to my YouTube channel, you are going to meet this. Okay, just simple and short, straight to the point, split circles, step by step. Okay, so this is the part one, part one of it. Okay, so I did the design in Corel Draw. Okay, so then this is the thumb bill for a church flyer. Well, this I'm yet to design the church flyer that has this thumb nail. So be very, very expectant. The church flyer tutorial will drop very soon. So that's it. And I have other like this is doing so well in my YouTube channel. Mockup made easy. This is the thumbnail. Okay, this is the thumbnail. So how to process your design, how to render your design in mockup. So this is the tutorial of where I taught how you can render your design in a mockup. So that's it. Okay. So next we go over to book cover. So I did this book cover for a client last week. Okay. So very neat and very simple. You need a book cover, you can DM us. All right. So we're gonna view it very well. So that's it. That's the author, that's the write-up, that's the caption of the book, the wisdom of the last sage, and that's the image. Okay, let's see the image very well. So this is the image, very captivating. Okay, the wisdom of the last sage. All right. So for the mock-up, I that's the back cover of the book cover. That is the for the mock-up rendering. That's the back cover. So I brought out this for the mock-up rendering. Okay, and we have the front cover. That's the front cover of the book. So this is for the mock-up. Okay, so that is it. So we go over to the mock-up now. Well, let's open the mock-up. So that's the mock-up. Okay, that's the mock-up. Rendered a mock-up. Okay, so very beautiful. Let's get the other one. So that's it. That's the full spread out mock-up. Okay, so you need a book cover. Let's put a signature touch on it. You will like it. You will like the outcome. Okay, so you need a book cover. DM us. So that's it. Back to Photoshop. So Like I said, we are going to design a birthday flyer, something like this. You can see the demarcated circles used in making this design. Okay, so this is the circle, and we splitted the circle. Okay, we splitted the circle, and this is what we learned in the first tutorial in the part one. Okay, in this split circles step by step, part one. Okay, so that's it here. This is what we learned, how to split circles. Now in part two, we are going to learn how to use this to design a birthday flyer. Tutorial will drop soon. So that is it. Thank you for watching. It's 4:57 a.m. and I wish you a wonderful day. See you later.